In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the problem where TikTok effects are not showing or filters are not working. So the very first thing you want to do is check for the updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch TikTok. Now navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Head over to the option Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down, click on the option Free Up Space. Click on Clear for the cache as well as downloads. Now check whether your effects are loading or not. Lastly, what you want to do is head back. Navigate to the option Help Center. Click on the option Chat with Us. Now here, you'll need to briefly explain about the issue that TikTok effects are not loading even though you're using the latest version and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation with TikTok support team and that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.